participant. Welcome. I am Onur Bektas. The research question of this study: how do teachers use of time in scientific lessons supported by scientific inquiry? In the literature, there are studies that show teachers have challenges in lessons supported by scientific inquiry. These challenges appear to be focused on time in general. Let's compare Turkey's science achievement with OECD countries. We use PISA and TIMSS results when comparing Turkey's science achievement with OECD countries. In this table, it's seen that Turkey's science achievement is above the PISA average and TIMSS midpoint. In order for this situation to be sustainable, studies should be focused on effective science education. In the method section, I will talk about the data collection tool, data analysis process, and the timesheet we use in data analysis. The research is designed as a case study. Participants consist of 5 preschool teachers giving science lessons. These video recordings were analyzed using the content analysis. We used the timesheet developed by researchers in the video analysis process. This timesheet consists of 2 terms, academic time. These are academic time and non-academic time. Academic time consists of 3 subterms. These are creating ideas, supporting the research process, and supporting the analysis and conclusion. Non-academic time includes the time periods when teachers or students are not engaged in teaching and teaching activities. You can see the timesheet here. In the left column, there are the time intervals in which the behavior is observed and second equivalent of these times. The observer can code these behaviors as academic and non-academic time. In this table, you can see the professional experience of the teachers, their grade levels, and the subject they teach in the lessons. Professional experience of the teachers varied between 7 and 20 years. In this graph, you can see the video recording of the lesson time of the teachers. It can be clearly seen that the course duration are different from each other. In this graph, we can see how much the time teachers allocated themes and subthemes in the total course time as a percentage. Except for us, the teachers, almost 1/3 of the teaching time of the other teachers is non-academic time. When you look result 4, you can see the scientific inquiry steps observed in the lessons of the participating teachers. It was observed that the teachers applied the scientific inquiry steps sequentially during the lessons. These are creating ideas, supporting the research process, and supporting the analysis and conclusion. Key findings. It's known that teachers have challenges in planning, managing the scientific inquiry process. It's thought of that this situation has an effect on the teacher's time use. The sequencing of the implementation of the scientific inquiry steps affect the time teachers allocate to these steps. It has been seen in the study that the preparation of the teachers before the lessons can prevent the loss of time during the lessons. It has been revealed that teachers should take measure to prevent their loss in academic time in order to their academic time effectively. As a result, it's necessary to operate scientific process and scientific inquiry practice in science education. Although there are some difficulties faced by teachers, it's undeniable that scientific inquiry is an important approach in science education because the closest approach to human learning is scientific inquiry by nature. Thank you for listening.